What I have is a plan view with a pipe location, and I have two profiles, one for the pipe and one representing natural ground. I want to draw these using plan and profile sheets using Carlson survey. Now I'm going to start by keeping this very simple and looking first of all at the just the draw profile. So from the surface menu, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a profile, and I'm going to add my profiles in, my existing ground, and then I'm going to add in my pipe. I'm going to start by drawing only the grid, and we'll put this at a scale of horizontal 40, vertical 4. I'm going to verify the layers, existing ground, pipe, and I'm going to change the colors just to make this a little easier to see. So I'll set my existing ground to green, and I'll set the pipe to red. Okay. Grid starting at 0, ending at 1560, the top elevation, the bottom elevation. Here's the elevation inside the actual profiles. I say OK, and there is my profile. I'll move this to the next level by drawing the sheet. So I'll come in and set up the sheet using the block name of profile, which is found under my Carlson Survey 2010. So it's under Program Files, Carlson Software, Carlson Survey 2010, Release 10, ENU Support, and I'll show it this way. So it's Paul Carlson Application Data, Roaming, Carlson Survey 2010, R2010 ENU Support. That's where the file is located. That's where all the profiles are. We'll do a plan and profile. I'll say OK, erase the existing, yes. Go from 0 to 1560. I'll do CL to enter my center line. I'll say OK, and then the program will begin drawing my plan and profile sheets based on the settings that I had applied. Now, this is not an appropriate setting. My plan and profile is not being drawn the way I would want, so I would go back and adjust my settings. So surface, draw profile, maybe 100 for the horizontal scale and 50 for the vertical. Again, CL to pick my centerline file. Profile is a little bit better, but maybe still not quite, and my grid needs some adjusting. The grid spacing and everything that's here is not quite right, as well as the elevation labels along the side. So I would want to go back into this and make some more adjustments. So surface, draw profile. Now we start setting up the so my horizontal grid value, horizontal grid every we'll go 10 feet. We'll go 5 feet and 10 feet, 50, 100. Station text every 100, elevation text every 10 feet. Okay. Offset scale, I don't want to do an offset. We'll put it right on the bottom. Label elevations, okay. Okay. Yes, erase the existing. Go ahead and redraw this. Again, we pick our centerline file. Okay, and now we see we're starting to get closer to what we're looking for. So at this point, it's really just playing with the settings, going through it over and over until I get what I'm looking for. If I go into the Carlson Help under the Surface menu, I will see the option for Draw Profile, And inside the draw profile, it breaks down all of the different options, what everything means and what I need to set it to get this to look the way I want. And the reality is, as many times as I've done this, it's really a trial and error. Change a setting, see how it looks. Change a setting, see how it looks. And getting it the way you want. Once you have everything the way you want, you can save these settings. So I can save this to Paul's Profiles, and now anytime I want to do a profile again using those same settings, I would just load that profile settings.